Well, we're out at the wood lot, and I want to show you how to add some bar lube to this saw here. Very important. Comes with a little funnel here. Doesn't take a whole lot. It's not a large capacity, but this is just to speed up and prolong the chain life. We'll just put a little bit in there. And I'll just let that drip down into the unit. And then once we got this into the little tank down here, we'll just simply press this button. We add a little bit more. All right. I think that should do it. Take the funnel out. And just replace the cap here. I'm going to give her a couple pumps here. Get that lubed up. And that's how you'd add that. All right, I got the saw all lubed up. I got eye protection on. Now, this is an 8-inch saw, and we're going to go about, I would say, its maximum limits there, folks. This is a piece of maple, so let's see. Let's see if we can't get through this. I'm going to lube the chain, and let's rip. Wow, it is cutting well. Like I mentioned, folks, this is about, I would say, about the maximum. Wow, that really ripped right through. Look at that chip. Now that's something. That's something. Let's see if I can even do one more. Now I'm hitting the button here. I'm going to lube that chain. Oh yeah, she's working, but wow. Very, very impressed. That is one heck of, that's a big piece of wood there. So, small, but very powerful saw there. Woo!